I'm glad nakita kita. Ma'am Galientes have been looking for you. Huh? Bakit daw? I think for sa upcoming mudya. I heard may experience ka daw sa ganyan. Look, oh. Maybe ikaw ang gusto ipa-represent sa department natin. I heard you're good. Talaga? Do you think I can do it? Oo naman, no. Ikaw pa, should consider it.
Maybe I should join? I really love pageantry. Maybe I should ask Mama's opinion first.
Ano, love? Na-scam ka?
Oo, 80,000. Ipon ko sana yun para ka, Thea.
It's okay, love. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan.
Pero paano na yung college ni Thea? Napakamahal ng yung tuition niya.
It's okay, love. Let's take that as a lesson.
Paano na to ngayon?
Nay, Tay. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, Tay. Tulong-tulong nga tayo dito, di ba?
Salamat na.
Thea, o ano? Are you joining?
Hindi muna siguro natin.
Oh, why?
Gastos kasi.
Sa bagay, even though our department will finance it, may magagastos ka pa rin talaga. I understand.
When I saw Dad struggling with the bills every night, it hit me. He was trying so hard to keep everything together. So I decided to work. Gusto kong makatulong kahit papano. I didn't want to just sit there and watch him carry all the weight alone. Even if it's just a small help. At least, I'm doing something. However, everything started taking a toll on me. I sacrificed more than I realized. I began sleeping in school. One missed task became two, and before I knew it, I was cramming every night, to the point I could not even afford to sleep. And then, it piles up, all of it, until I feel done.
Ba't nakaupo ka lang dyan? Nagsiselfon. Hindi ko man nangilisan doon.
Sorry po, sir. Sorry po.
Alamiya mo. Paano ka nakuha dito?
Sorry po talaga, sir. Opo, gagawin na po.
I knew it was getting worse because I couldn't stop eating. It became the only thing I relied on just to feel okay.
Althea, anong oras na? Bakit gising ka pa?
May ginagawa lang na assignment po.
Ayos ka lang ba, anak?
Ha? Oo naman po, ma.
Napapansin ko, ang pagkain mo halos mayat maya at halos di ka na makatulog. Stress ka ba, anak?
Opo, ma. Sorry po.
Bakit, nak? Mas gagaan yan kung ilalabas mo. Nandito lang ako.
Kasi, ma, parang hindi ko na po kaya. Ang dami-dami na pong gagawin. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung uunahin. Ang daming dapat i-consider. Pagod na po ako, ma.
Naiintindihan ko, hindi mo kailangan labanan lahat mag-isa. Nandito ako at papa mo. Hindi mo kailangan akuin lahat. Magpahinga ka muna, matulog, mag-isip-isip. Clear your mind, then you'll be able to face everything. You understand, anak?
Yes, ma.
O siya, matulog ka na. Bukas mo na yan gawin, anak.
Opo, ma. Thank you, ma. Good night po.
Good night, anak. I love you.
Oy, Thea, tapos ka na sa mga task?
Oo, tapos na.
Oh, mabuti naman. Are you okay?
Oo naman.
Para kasing hindi eh.
Ano ka ba? Okay lang ako.
Oo nga pala. Nabalitaan ko. Sinat nga pala yung napili yung sa Mas Mutiano.
Huh? Talaga ba?
Oo. At based sa narinig ko, wala daw siya experience mo. What if, mag-volunteer ka kaya as mentor niya?
Sure. I'll be happy to do it.
I thought not for the upcoming mutya, Kahit hindi ako makasali this year, but honestly, I'm happy I still get to do what I love. We even sold our TV to help with expenses, and I resigned from work so I could focus on school again. It's been a lot, pero somehow, all those choices made the things that stress me out feel a little lighter. I realized that stress feels lighter when it's out in the open and shared. That having family and friends around, it really helps. And that, being here in this moment, it's okay to pause, and it's okay to just breathe. At sa huli, magiging okay lang din ang lahat.